Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Roll a dough and make a circle. Now we are going to roll it using fork. We are going to press it and make the tail of the bird. Let's make the beak now. Similarly put the eyes. Now make multiple cut from the side and using fork we are going to create the design and look, it is ready. We are going to make fish dough art today, so we are going to roll the dough. After this we are going to cut all of them. Here we are going to divide it into 5. Now using comb we are going to press the tail of the fish and make cut as well using knife. Hold it using chopsticks and look, the fishes are ready. We are going to make more designs using comb, so press it and put a fruit at the center. We are using a date here. Now using knife we are going to further divide it like this. Put the eyes. Using scissors we are going to cut the fins of the fish. Now we are making the scale. You can use a fork or chopsticks and create the design, and look, your beautiful fish dough art is ready. Here we are going to roll the dough and divide it into 3. Now hold it from the center using chopsticks. Here we are going to make 6 such shapes. Further cut it like this. We are making fishes here. So we are going to press it from the bottom side using comb and make the tail of the fish. Later we are going to put the eyes as well. We are putting the black seeds inside. Now we are going to cut it from the sides using scissors, and we are going to make the design on the top using this chopstick. You can also use a spoon in place of this. Let's make further designs. So we're going to roll 4 circles of dough, cut it and then put it in a straight line. Now we're going to roll it, press it using chopsticks, and look, your flower design is ready. Put it at the center and it's done. Here we are going to roll the dough and hold it using chopsticks at the center. Now press it. We are going to make this one shape of the dough. Make the beak, and then we are going to further add the eyes, and look, your beautiful dough art design is ready. Roll a dough and make a circle. Now using fork we are going to create this design on the sides of it. Make multiple cut using knife, and we are going to press it and make this flower shape. Now we are going to make the fish here, so take another piece of dough and using knife we are going to cut it and create the design. We are also going to hold a small portion from the center and press it. Let's make the tail, so we are going to create the design using fork. Similarly we are going to make more such designs using another piece of chopsticks. Put the eyes, and look, your beautiful fish is ready. After this we are going to create further design and put it at the center part, and look, your beautiful dough art is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.